Tell him, Annabelle. Yeah, tell him. Tell him what happened.
What is it, buddy?
No!
Right now, though, in the Beltway, we are just seeing rain, and it's a cool rain, and that rain will be turning later in the day into snow. We'll probably see some good amounts of snowfall around the DC metro area. Let's take a look at the
Are you stunned? So are we.
Go out to the west, we feel like more rain out toward the ocean. But if you head off to the east and north of us, this is where we're seeing the snow.
What is it, guys?
81, Hagerstown and Frederick, Winchester.
No.